Hi, today we are going to see how to remove password in Windows 10. Go to search bar and search for sign in option. Here you can see there is Windows security key, Windows PIN, Windows Hello Fingerprint and Windows Hello Face. Click on Windows PIN, then click on change and click on give your PIN, then don't give this to new PIN and confirm PIN, then click on OK. After that click on require sign in, then click on never. So when you start up, then no password will be asked by your PC. So that's how to remove password in Windows 10. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.